everybody. So I just wanted to give you your next instruction for the day. Remember, before you do this video, before you should get started on this, you need to make sure you've read that story I gave you on the Google Slides. You've either read it or listened to it, and you've also taken the quiz, which is on Google Form. If you haven't done either of those, it's really important you do those first. Do not get started on this until you do that quiz. Once you're done with the quiz, you're going to find the simile page that looks like this, and then the metaphor page, which looks like that one, that we glued in your composition notebook last night for homework. And you're going to do a little bit of underlining with each of these pages. So on the bottom here, the one with the music note, actually both pages have music notes like that. Those are like your notes, okay? So in that section, I learned that a simile is when I compare two things using the words like or as. So if I look at the song Mean by Taylor Swift, it says, you with your words like knives and your swords and weapons that you use against me. So Taylor is comparing her someone's words to knives and weapons. Now, we know that when this person is speaking, swords and knives aren't flying out of their mouth. That would be crazy. Taylor is just comparing these words to knives to say that the words are really hurtful. It's similar to a knife coming out of someone's mouth. It would really, really hurt them or hurt someone. So that's what she's comparing there. I want you to go through the rest of that song and underline the other similes that you can find. On the next page, you have metaphors. And on the bottom, you can see that a metaphor is when you compare two things, which is similar to a simile, but with a metaphor, you don't use the word like or as. So we're comparing, but that word like or as should not show up. So in this song, it says, I'm the moonlight shining down. Okay, so in this song, Lone Star saying that he is the moonlight shining down. Again, we know that the guy that wrote this song isn't up in the moon and he's actually shining down. That'd be absolutely crazy. What he's trying to say is that he's bringing light to someone. So in all this darkness, I'm the moonlight. I'm shining brightness on you. So again, with this one, go ahead and underline the metaphors you can find. We're going to be talking more about those next week. If you have any questions, if you're a remote kid, go ahead and jump back on our video and you can ask me during class. If not, you can send me an email. Those of you that are in class, it's great to see you again today. You can go ahead and just raise your hand and ask me, or if it happens after class, go ahead and send me an email. Great work.